Hello, my laser scanning peeps. I'm here with an XTOOL S1 and an iPad Pro with XTOOL Creative Space app on it. Today, we are going to learn how to take a piece of wood, cut it, and engrave it in the same burn. Let's get started. You will need a piece of wood. Since we're practicing, cheap scrap wood like this would be perfect. I'd like you to have two sets of numbers. Your numbers for engraving and your numbers for cutting. You can get those by running multiple tests with your sample piece of wood. If you need help determining these numbers, please check my previous first burn video on the S1. Set your piece of wood on the printer, mark it, and frame it. If you need help with this, also check my first burn video. Armed with those numbers, head over to your XTOOL app and load up a graphic. I'm going to load up Mr. Rundown. Position your graphic inside your project and pinch it open so you can have a good look. Configure your graphic for its best possible printing. I'm going to grayscale mine by touching the graphic, touching this icon right here, and sliding this guy right here just a little left. I've now got my grayscale graphic inside my square piece of wood. Touch the graphic and be sure it says Engrave. Tap on Easy Set Panel and set the power and speed according to your best results on your test prints. I'm going to go 55 for power, 130 for speed. Keep in mind, these numbers will vary based on your machine, material, and laser power. Next up, we are going to add a border. That border will be how we cut out this graphic. Touch on the graphic and touch this icon right here. You will see a blue border appear. This number right here is the distance from the graphic that border is. This border will be the cut. I'm going to reduce mine to 1. That brings the cut closer to the graphic. You will see this section that says Add Inner Outline for Bitmap. That'll add a transparent border around your graphic. For today's project, we are not terribly concerned about this feature. We can look closer at that another time. Go ahead and press Done. We now have two jobs in this project: the graphic for engraving and the outline for cutting. Since this outline is the last function we performed, it is the active function. Here on the screen is the power and speed for that function. Go ahead and set the power and speed from your test burning for the cut. Mine is 60 and 9. Stop laughing. Back up from the Easy Set panel and make sure your processing type says Cut. We now have two jobs: engrave and cut. To see them, touch right here. You now see vector and image. Touching each one will switch between each job. Here is the vector. You can see cut and you can see 60 and 9. Touch on image. Here it says engrave and you can see 55 and 130. We are now ready to perform this job, which will engrave and cut a piece of wood into Mr. Rundown. Close the lid and press Process. To be sure everything is copacetic, touch Framing and press the button in front of your S1. The laser will square off the burn zone. If everything looks good, touch Framing Complete touch Start, and after the beep, press the button. And there it is. With nothing but the XTOOL Creative Space app, we have cut and engraved in a single job. I'm Mr. Greg. Some of my friends call me Mr. G. Some people call me Mr. Rundown because this is the XTOOL S1 and you're on 3D Rundown.